how to make a vegetable salad with poached chicken. It's almost 10 p.m. in the evening. I want to greet everyone Happy New Year. So I want to share this recipe for you para balance din naman yung ating diet sa puro karne, puro carbohydrates yung kinakain natin. Isama nyo na rin ito para maging healthy naman after na holidays. So maraming kainan. Pang himagas lang. Pangtanggal umay sa mga kinakain natin panghanda. So, this is the ingredients. So guys, nakikita nyo, nilagyan ko ng ice yan or malamig na tubig para yung gulay natin at saka fruits natin ay maging malamig at fresh. Masarap sa bibig pag kinain. We're going to slice that. Here's the ingredients. 1 carrot, 2 apple, cucumber, 2 pieces of tomato, 1 calamansi. We have kiat-kiat or just like a small orange in the Philippines. Lettuce, or you can choose romaine lettuce, is better. We have salt, olive oil, and for dressing you can use Caesar dressing, or you can choose roasted sesame, black pepper, and cayenne for our poached chicken. So lalagyan natin ng salt, cayenne. So, ilagay na natin yung breast chicken natin. Good for 20 minutes. Set natin ng 180 degrees Celsius. Let's slice our lettuce. Balatan natin siya ng ganyan lang. Pag magbalat dito, lahat ng vitamins ay nasa balat. Slice natin siya ng circle, like that. Hiwain natin ito ng strip. Hiwain natin yung apple ng ganito. Ganyan pag-slice ng apple para walang sayang. Ganyan yung tamang paghiwa ng apple. So, yan. Yan yung matitira niya. Then, hiwain din natin siya ng strips. Like this. Katulad ng ating carrots. Actually, guys, itong recipe na to, ginawa ko lang siya ng sarili ko. This is my own recipe. So, I want to share this recipe kasi mahilig talaga akong kumain ng vegetables, high fiber. Then, we have tomato. Just half or a little calamansi or lemon. If you don't like too much sour, konti lang ilagay nyo. Maganda yung pomelo. Or you can have something like this kasi matamis naman siya. Para sa akin, you can add. Pomelo is better din. Masarap siya. Fruits and vegetable. Slice our breast chicken like that, like dice. Ready na yung vegetable and fruits natin. Let's tilt it. First, lagay natin yung lettuce natin. Sunod, yung carrots natin. Also, apple. Next, yung cucumber natin or pepino. Pepino kamatis. Ating kiat-kiat. Then add the black pepper, 3 spoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt, 1/2 cup of roasted sesame. Then our poached chicken. Let's add some calamansi or lemon, just a little bit. I don't really like so much maasim. Now let's combine it like that, or let's toast it like that. This one is very simple, easy to prepare. So guys, ready na yung vegetable salad natin. So, titikman na natin. I like the flavor of sesame. And then the poached chicken are a good combination of this vegetable and fruits. Manamis-namis because of the apple. And also we have kiat-kiat, a small orange is in the Philippines. Lalo na kung makagat mo yung kiat-kiat, magbibigay ng something juicy in your tongue. Very delicious. So, you try this at home. Kung gusto ka mo, lalo na ngayong New Year. Ngayon, sa labas, nagpuputukan na. So, Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you for watching Sugar Food Days. Thank you so much.